Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Function Calling and Tool Use, giving AI a toolbox to interact with the world. Imagine you have a super smart chef who knows every recipe in the world, can invent new dishes, and explain cooking techniques perfectly. But there's a catch. This chef can't actually pick up a pan, chop an onion, or even turn on the stove. This is a bit like how powerful ICE, specifically large language models, LLMs, used to be. They are brilliant at understanding and generating text, but they were confined to their brain, unable to directly interact with the real world. Today, we're talking about how we give these intelligent ICE a toolbox so they can finally put their knowledge into action. Large language models, LLMs, are like advanced text prediction machines. They've read a colossal amount of text and can generate human-like responses, summarize information, translate languages, and even write creative stories. They know a lot about the world from their training data. However, they don't have internet access. Beyond their training data cutoff, they can't browse websites. They can't send emails, book appointments, or control any external systems. They're brilliant encyclopedias and conversation partners, but lack the hands to do anything practical outside of text. This is where function calling comes in. It's not the AI magically gaining internet access or developing hands. Instead, it's the AI intelligently recognizing when it needs to perform an action and telling us, the developer, exactly what action to take. Think of our super smart chef again. Now, the chef has an assistant. That's you, the developer. When a customer asks for a souffle, the chef doesn't make it, but smartly instructs the assistant. Go to the pantry, get 4 eggs, a cup of milk, and some flour. The AI generates a request for a specific function or tool. And you, the developer, handle the actual execution. As developers, we are the ones who build and describe these tools for the AI. A tool is simply a piece of code, a regular function you write that does something specific. For example, you might write a Python function called _get_current_weather location, that fetches weather data from a weather API. You then give the AI a description of this function, its name, what it does, and what information it needs. Like location you might describe it as, here's a tool called get_current_weather . It takes a location e.g., London, and returns the current temperature and conditions for that place. This description is often provided in a structured format, like JSON schema, so the AI can understand it. Here's the magic interaction loop. 1. User request. *A user asks the AI, what's the weather like in Tokyo? 2. I thinks. The AI analyzes the request and thinks, aha, this person wants to know the weather. And I have a get_current_weather tool that can do that. It needs Tokyo as the location. 3. I instructs. * instead of answering, the AI doesn't run the tool. It tells your code, the developer's code, in a structured format. You should call the function get_current_weather with the parameter location equals Tokyo. 4. You execute. * your application receives this instruction, runs your actual get_current_weather function, which queries a real weather service. 5. You return result. * your code sends the real-time weather data back to the AI. 6. I responds. The AI then uses this actual data to formulate a natural, helpful answer for the user. The weather in Tokyo is currently 22 degrees Celsius and partly cloudy. With function calling, your AI can now do incredible things. Less than greater than less than greater than, what's the capital of France and its current temperature? Single quote, AI knows the capital, then calls a weather tool for the temperature. Less than greater than less than greater than, book me a flight to New York for next Tuesday. AI calls a book _flight tool with parameters it infers from your request. Less than greater than less than greater than, summarize my last 3 emails about Project X, and draft a reply. AI calls an email _retrieval tool, summarizes the results, then generates a reply. Less than greater than less than greater than, add buy groceries to my to-do list for tomorrow. AI calls an add to todo list tool. Less than greater than less than greater than, the AI isn't performing these actions directly. It's intelligently orchestrating them by telling your code what to do, effectively giving it eyes and hands to interact with the world through your systems. Function calling is a massive leap forward for developers working with AI. It allows you to less than greater than less than greater than bridge the gap. Seamlessly connect the powerful reasoning and language generation capabilities of LLMs with your existing APIs, databases, internal systems, and custom code. Less than greater than less than greater than build smarter applications. Create AI agents that can perform multi-step tasks, access up-to-date information, and interact with external services. Moving beyond simple chatbots. Less than greater than less than greater than enable real-world actions. Turn AI from a passive information source into an active participant that can execute tasks and automate workflows within your applications. Less than greater than less than greater than empower AI. You're giving AI the practical tools it needs to extend its intelligence beyond pure text, making it truly useful and proactive in solving real-world problems for your users. Less than greater than less than greater than. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.